Hello, welcome guys. Good morning. Happy Friday time. Welcome chat. Welcome everyone. How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? How is your day? Are you guys ready to go for the new targets? Fighting relentlessly on a happy Friday momentum. You see what's happening in the market. We are live. We are live. Well, look at a Nasdaq. Hundreds of points down, hundreds of points up. That's what we're doing today. Extreme volatility, guys. Today, for those of you that lack sufficient discipline, it is the best day, the best opportunity created by the markets to lose the accounts. So careful with that one, guys. Really careful with that one. Really careful with that one. Beautiful. Back into trading. We got all the way into the daily opening. So from the 800s, we dumped 400 points and then pumped back 400 points. The triple bottom we have here is an extremely serious signal, guys, of a possible strong week, which could actually close. I mean, Nasdaq turns bullish for an all-time high target as soon as it closes above 25,103. 25,103 are that is actually that level right there, that blue line. You want to close above that structure and we're fine. Until that, expect choppiness. And don't target all-time high. But this is the hourly. Let's get into the 5 minutes. Let's see what we can trade today. Ticktick trader is still paused. Funds are not deducted. The payout has not been completed yet. We still have to wait till funds are going to get deducted, payout completed, and then we go live transitioning. Right now, there is 48 business hours since the payout has been requested. Funds are still in the account. 5 accounts, $10,000 payout, and we're going to be moved to live with our resources. By the way, Ticktick Trader is running a massive discount out there, the straight to funded plus. Someone asked me a question here in our community, guys. Let me verify that once again. We had a guy here. Can you explain the rules for such accounts, please? Straight to funded plus. Alright, guys. Ticktick Trader, tap on futures, Savius. Savius is 60% off. Top level discount. However, we're gonna start trading our Ignite accounts today. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you, fellas. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Let's see if we get any reaction here from the markets in the next couple of seconds. We're gonna find it out if there is anything there. Not much. An hour to go for the market opening. A lot of the things are happening in the meantime. A lot of the things. Hope we're gonna have the live account ready by next week from Ticktick Trader. I hope that. I don't know what to expect, guys. By the end of the stream, we're gonna have 120, 130. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Ooh. What's happening here? Can we catch a little sell-off? What do you guys think about? I mean, you know where? There is a good target. It's just... Ooh. We're about to... I think the markets would love to hit that 720s. Let's see.
Order filled.
I just caught my position here. There was a pretty strong movement, 15 points. At the very limit. There is a nice level here that we could touch on the 1 minute. Right? This is what I'd love to see. Market breaking down to this point. Have to take it slowly today. Looks like there is tons of volatility, which I've been aware about. Yeah. Gotta take it slowly. And that's what I'm gonna do. Let me grab my other Ignite accounts.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. I got myself 5 SimPro accounts, which I want to trade soon. We're playing right now games with some Ignite accounts here on the top on futures, but looks like it's not working anything. Look at the craziness here. Two decent rejections here.
Order filled.
But we touched the stop loss there. Let me connect to SimPro accounts, brand new SimPro accounts. Look at that, guys. What on earth is happening with this price action? It's been like this for the whole day. I've been watching a lot of it. And I'm telling you, this is a disaster for trading out there. With my contracts that I usually do, this is a disaster. Make sure to like the video, guys. We've got a giveaway today of 50k. Giveaway starts on the live stream. You gotta be here. It's a little bit later. Yeah. A total disaster. Look at this one. What are we doing at the daily opening?
Order filled.
Seeing out a little short here. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Very important account is the Savius, which is only $2,000 away from the payout, and that's kind of 2 days. One of our community members reached to the payout today. He's gonna get $2,700. He's gonna request $3,000, and he's gonna get $2,700 for something. The price right now is $256. It's the Tomcat 150k, where the payout target is at 5%, guys. 5% payout target. The payout value is 10 times more than what you're paying. You're paying basically for the 150k $256 by utilizing the coupon code SCRAMBLE. Right, so by utilizing the coupon code SCRAMBLE, also you gotta sign up from this link and you will be able to see the offer. It's in the chat.
Order filled.
Wondering about a continuation of printing the taps around this level with a supply existent. Copy trading 2 accounts. We bought 5 from the top on futures SimPro. Hello, welcome guys, thank you. Make sure to join our Discord community. Let me update you with the link, guys. Link in the chat. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it, by the way. Hope you're gonna have a beautiful Friday. The most important part for today is not only to cut by half your sizing, I would say cut by 70% your sizing today. By 70%, guys. That's how you want to cut your sizing today.
Order filled.
By 70%. $1,800 for the first target here for the top on the futures SimPro accounts.
Order filled. Order filled.
As soon as we get into 75, 76, I'm moving break even. There you go. I'm putting break even. If this wants to reverse back, I'm fine. I don't mind having a break even situation here. I'd like to secure my situation. 6 contracts is not a game you'd like to lose on.
Order
Sold
filled.
3 contracts basically. Have a partial winner. And I'm gonna fully exit at a time this candlestick.
Order filled.
763. That's fine, guys. We're gonna do celebration. This is the first trade on this 2 accounts in the Simpro. Very important. 763. Thank you, guys. Let's go for it. We're not gonna forget about the fireworks bust. This price section is driving me nuts with the lack of predictability. And at the same time, this is, think about, if this volatility is on the pre-markets, then what on earth is gonna happen by the New York session, guys? Like, we get 30, 40 points out of nowhere. It's just nuts, right? But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like the video, get yourself a subscription out here. Yeah. And it keeps falling. Surprisingly, this 5-minute is kinda desiring for bearishness. To this point, guys, this is something I would hunt. That one right there. 720s, I told you about it. That's a good target for shorting. You got 40 points, so we cannot repeat this pattern endlessly. This is going to stop very soon. Very, very soon.
Order filled.
I sold a contract here on this little bouncing. Could see the markets sinking forward. Thank you guys, appreciate it. I mean, it was a pretty simple entry, right? We just shorted supply. That was clearly representing weakness, so we respected and gave some credentials on that weakness. Buyers were pretty quickly getting absorbed around 795. Just like we see it happening right now.
Order
Adding a little
filled.
more to this, looking for the flush.
Order filled.
3 contracts. Stop loss and break even at this point. We're not playing. There's no reason to expose to unnecessarily reversals, right? That's beautiful so far. I think this looks pretty good. As soon as we don't get anything spectacular here. There's not much room between the price and my entry.
Order filled.
Yeah. We got $60 right there on the break even. Cryptos had a huge dump today. Once again, of course, unsurprisingly, you see gold climbing forever. Sitting around 323. You know, I think we're gonna see some retracements below 4,000 level for gold, and then it might chop around this level for some time till Bitcoin runs. Right, so this is on a micro standpoint, we have a lot of offloading there. A lot of offloading there, and a continuation with that, which is usually signaling weakness coming in from pretty strong players. I mean, it signals their preference. But of course, we know gold is tied with the macro situation quite close.
Order
Opening
filled.
our short once again here. Let's see if the market will get saved once again at this point. Could go for a decent target. Will they protect us once
Order
again?
filled. Order filled.
Come on. It kind of looks cooked. Good morning, everyone, and good evening, guys. Hope you have a beautiful Friday so far. And even better, with our live stream participation, with a great community out there. I'm gonna be pretty tight here, guys.
Order filled.
We got to touch the break even once again. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now, it's not a comfortable situation shorting, where you have a micro support range, a demand level on the 50s. Not an easy level to deal with. It is a kind of do or die situation here. Hey, welcome Zill, welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video so we can pick those numbers up. Thank you once again for joining. We're having a beautiful Friday time. Points done, one left for Monday, standing now at $58,000 in balance. Zill just won a $50,000 Ticktick Trader account on the giveaway. So the account he speaks about is from the giveaway. He made $8,000 and needs a single point for the payout. One more point for the payout. He's taking a giveaway account to the payout, guys. Think about how beautiful is that. This is the place from where the business expansion comes alive. Take the payout and organize that money nicely. I'd like to see you having rewards. Starting from here, even in 6-7 months, right? Including for a long period of time. Extremely difficult today, guys. Extremely difficult. Now we're not doing evaluations, we are doing instant funded. Instant funded, guys. We're doing instant funded. Yeah, today's price action is very difficult. You gotta cut your sizing by 70% of what you usually perform. Look at that.
Order filled.
I'm gonna short this lower high. Cheers, everyone. Cheers for a good Friday. For a good trading experience, even though today it looks the hardest of the week. Imagine what's gonna be on the New York session. I told you, it's pretty wild. I like to trade before anything crazy goes off. Looks nice
Order
to add a little
filled.
more to this. Double up.
Order
Third
filled.
contract. Come on. Stop loss and break even. 45 bucks profit if the stop loss hits. Like, how many times do we need to simulate the breakdown? I'm ready to take my targets. I'm not afraid holding through. Come on. It's
Order
weak.
filled.
And we have cooked this guy's $1,800 profit. There you go. Have not been scared away by the markets. We managed to do the break-even situation nicely. And at the time, things were running in my direction with momentum. Boom. I let the trade flush through. There you go. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations, everyone. So we got 1,800. This is the first day on this 2 accounts. We got 5. Let me connect the other 3. We got 5 SimPro accounts. Boom. Time to make some good money.
Order filled.
Time to see some rejection coming through. Let's see, guys. I'm expecting to get into that 20s. We got into the 30s. I'm expecting to touch that blue line. Let's see. Do I get a winner here?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Well, look at that, guys. How strong
Order
this is,
filled.
right? You wouldn't have said. You wouldn't have said, don't you? $30 points from a level where We should only bounce a little bit, trap some longs, and then run the continuation show. 30 points. Well, I got 2 business days for my payout on Ticktick Trader. Usually it's 2 or 3 business days, but you might be in today's batch. It's not an issue. There's nothing wrong with them. Just gotta wait a little more probably. A little more probably. Come on. Bring it down, buddy. Stop loss. Cannot set that on break even right now. I can do it right here. Stop loss on break even. Give me a nice cliff. I'd like to hit another 1,800 target. Give me a nice cliff here. I'm gonna play a nice break even with you right there. I'll actually trail my stop loss. 590 is not bad.
Order filled.
570. And then it dumps. It will be a good short. But they kinda hit me pretty hard. We still secured some money by trailing, right? And we're gonna have a flat opening in 2 minutes, so markets can do 40 points, and that could actually happen in a flash move against me. I don't want to be part of that. Yeah. The profit score system is lovely, guys.
Order
Testing
filled.
out a little long here.
Order filled.
Pretty tight on the stop loss. 220 bucks there. 640 for the upside.
Order filled.
Oh, the target has been hit. Look at that one. I told you about the flat opening which just happened. There you go, guys. You need to smell the markets. $1,200 profit here. That's a good trade. We're gonna make another $600. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Great to hear you. Make sure to like the video. Get ready for the giveaway. We're having an amazing time. We're really having an amazing time. I'm not joking. Exactly. $8 a.m. is 9 a.m., right? What are you doing, Bitcoin? You gotta quickly get above 107. Quickly. No question asked. Thank you guys, by the way. We have a lovely time. A lovely time together.
Order filled.
Opening a little short here, guys. I'm still watching that 20s. I'm stuck on that 20s. And I'm only seeking $600, which I make it as soon as we hit the 30s. It's not even bad, right? Good morning, welcome everyone, welcome guys. Happy to see you on board. Getting ready slowly for a happy trading day. Wow. Look at that one. Look at that one. Stop loss and break even. I don't want to see any crazy 30-point reversals here out of the blue. I don't want to see any market order out of the woods, you know, like a fat finger. We don't need that, guys. Come on, bring it down. We're gonna trail. I'm gonna trail 170. This is level of support, so things could actually reverse from here aggressively. No reason not to secure anything.
Order filled.
That's good. We'll still have to make some money out here. No problem, guys. We're gonna make that. And have a lovely time enjoying it. Have a lovely time enjoying it. That 20's right there, guys. It's just the 1 minutes here are pretty undecided for me at the moment.
Order filled.
I'm longing
Order filled.
2 contracts here, looking for a little impulse, right? 2 green candlesticks in a row. Come on. Once we get into 58, I'll be break even.
Order
Adding
filled.
one more contract to this. Oh my. I wouldn't have expected this market dump. Literally no continuation of such impulse. What a price action, guys. Look at that. You cannot DCA here right now. This is not looking good for a DCA. You gotta see where you can actually accept the partial loss at the best.
Order
I sold
filled.
the contract. Stop loss is gonna be below this green candle. Beautiful. Look at that one, guys. This is just
Order filled.
jumping back into my position. Happy Friday times. Pretty good so far. Very, very important for my Savius account, which only needs 2 grand. How do I trade that? We're about to start trading on that as soon as we finish with this 3 accounts that we're trading here. We bought 5 SimPro accounts on Tap 1 Futures. 2 got to the target I have on 1,800. We pushed them to the target earlier. Make sure to like the video, guys. For those of you joined recently, come on, like the video, be subscribed. The giveaway is happening on the live stream, so you gotta be here. That 56 is bothering us.
Order filled.
Look at that.
Order filled.
That 56 is bothering me. Wow.
Order filled.
Come on. Give me that little dollar there. Break even. Come on. We're
Order
set for the
filled.
break even. The target has been hit, guys. $1,800. There you go. Another 3 accounts. So on all the 5 accounts for the Tap 1 Futures, we made our 1,800. Congratulations, guys. Tap 1 Futures is absolutely lovely out here. Producing back-to-back winners. What a great time. Once again, for those of you that would like to see, I posted a video about Tap 1 Futures. Here's the link to the Tap 1 Futures offer. 55%, 6 months anniversary, $16 million paid out. I've cashed out from them $44,000. I do have a video on that. Well, let me share with you right now. Make sure to check that video out for those of you that are not familiar with the Tap 1 Futures situation. And of course, get out there in that video and like the video. Come on. Shout out to our community. Like the video, guys, that I just posted there in the chat. Let's go for the Quant Tower. And for the Savius, where we got to produce just about $2,000, right? We need $157,500, so $2,000. My daily limit is 1,500. Thank you, guys. Testing out a little long here. In case we're ready to Nicely deliver on that. Come on. It's not looking bad. I think you guys agree with me, right? This is not looking bad for a continuation on the moment. And as soon as we take it a little bit higher, I'm going to go break even. Such as now. I'm already break even. Come on. Give me that strength. No, break-even has been touched. $66, and now we might run. Break-even has been touched. Not a bad idea to get out and break even, right? Respect that rule. See what we can do here. There's some nice liquidity above 76, guys. Pretty good looking. So why not actually attacking it? As soon as we go 67, I'm break even. We got into this candle, pretty aggressively DCing this candle. Now we're gonna touch the stop loss, and we touched the stop loss there. 1,754. Nope. Not at this time. What a silly price action. You're not taking the high here that you have engulfed. Right, you got so much liquidity. You have a fair value gap here that you're not taking, guys. That red line is a fair value gap. So I said I'm going to long it on the pullback here for a continuation into that level. And then you take the liquidity from the fair value gap and you then bring it down if you want to bring it down, or you just continue for the breakout. It doesn't matter. But you got to take that liquidity. And it's not doing it. I mean, this price action here, it's just something wild. I still have $200 that I could actually play with there for the day. You know, honestly, I'm giving that $200 a try. Right? Let's make some money here. All the way into the 20s. Stop loss and break even. We just touched the break even. We gotta bring this one down to the 20s. Stop loss and break even. Might just get even lower than that. Around 680s. We got to break even. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. The giveaways on the live stream a little later. Stop loss and break even. Come on. Bring it back to the daily opening. Give me that daily opening, guys. The daily max loss is at 2,000. I don't want to cross 1,950. We need a little momentum. Above the wick. $755 on my target. Would be around $400, and that would actually give me some more buffer. This is not looking bad for the moment. As soon as we're not gonna lack momentum above 46, come on. This is the time where we need the strength. Give me that stronger move so I can get out. I'm out right here, guys. Enough for the moment. We brought it down to 1,486, which means we have around $400 drawdown level. This is no longer looking that bullish, guys. Expecting this 5-minute candle, we just open it up to have a nice wick on the upside. See, I'm trading with a single contract. A double down. Stop loss is going to get tighter. Come on. Bring it down. Beautiful. Keep increasing the momentum, guys. That's a beautiful looking pattern. I'm not going for the break even yet. I'm leaving a little more room for this one. I like to see it right below 40s for the break even. 7 minutes to go, guys. I'm testing out the break even already at this point. Yeah, we got to touch it. No problem. Reshorting from higher. Should have gained pressure and momentum on the previous red candle, so I didn't saw that, and I moved my break even. Cryptos are dead. Savius, obviously they pay. They've been online for many, many years. How much is a straight to funded account with them? The 150k, as you can see, let me just update my screen. The 150k that pays 2,700 is $256. Let me just update my banner. Look at that one, guys. So straight to funded, 150k, $256 for the Savius. Crazy, right? Here's the link. Cryptos are dead. Grabbing the liquidity that has been placed around the market crash, right? So a lot of the people got into longs and set the stop losses at the levels we're pretty much testing the Bitcoin right now. 103, 104, 105. These are the levels filled up with a lot of the trailings and, of course, stop losses. They gave people a lot of the time after the market crashed to get into longs. And now they bring it down to the levels that are technically filled up with that liquidity. People thought after such crash we had in the crypto space, yeah, 256 exactly for the 150k. And the payout is 2,700. So people thought after such crash the market is gonna recover in a V shape. 5 minutes to go and the market opens, guys. So a lot of the people got into longs that were sitting on the side with the USDT, with the crypto stable coins. They got back in the game over leveraged. We didn't have a lot of the spot going on in the past days, and now we see spot stepping into. We don't need highly leveraged orders to go through and push the prices. What we need basically is the spot to dominate. That means a pressure that is clearly lasting. The 50,000 on Savius. Let me quickly verify how much does it cost. $136. No rhythmic. No rhythmic. No rhythmic. Quant Tower, you can do it on Quant Tower. Volumetric and others. 3 minutes to go, guys, and the market opens. Testing out a little short here. I think this is going to continue down. Double up. Maximum $400 stop loss there. Let's see if we can do something out of it, guys. Come on. Recover the whole loss. Look at this is what we're trading here. Stop loss is above the wick. I'm waiting for a cliff. Nosedive. 2 minutes short. Nosedive cliff. I got you, buddy. Stop loss on break even. I got you, buddy, with this one. 3 minutes to go and the market opens. We got you with this one. Keep going. Keep going. Oh! Oh my god, that was silly, right? Look at this price action. We had a nice short, guys. Very promising. Very promising. We touched the break even for no reason. I'm reshorting with a single contract at this time. And I'll have a stop loss there, guys. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring it to the next level. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's put up some numbers. We've got the giveaway. There's 1 minute to go. If we touch the stop loss there, not an issue. We still have $4,000 in the account. Above the balance. Pretty much 2.5 days away from the payout. So we're not in a bad situation from that standpoint. 30 seconds to go and the market opens. It's not a terrible situation, right? I'm going to put my stop loss right there. I mean, this is just risky to leave it higher. And I'd like to see this one dumping. 10 seconds to go. I'm going to ring the bell right now, guys. Have a lovely time. Careful. We got you on the bell. Come on. Ah. We touched the $300 stop loss. How do you enroll for the giveaway? Like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. That's what you gotta do. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. It might still go down. Oh. You know, I think it would have went to our target, guys, that we had. But obviously the market is hitting the trailings. Very, very important today. We made on 5 accounts for the tap on futures 1,800. Very important for us. We pushed this one all the way into 700s. I think we're going to trade above the daily opening today. I don't think it's going to be a bearish day, guys. No minimal profit per day. No, no, no. You just have to hit your target. No minimal profit per day. Yeah, gold becomes very difficult to trade at this point. I'm telling you. The chart is no longer giving any comfortable scenario. So in the next period, I would actually... Whether you just... terribly downsize your position or you stay away from gold. I think gold is gonna chop for a while and we're gonna have Nasdaq moving. Russell's 2000. Bitcoin is gonna take the spotlight as well at some point, and a lot of the liquidity will move from gold into the Bitcoin world. It's just a matter of time in the last quarter before we do it. Let's see, guys, what we can expect from here. 5 minute is certainly looking like a pretty odd opening. Pretty odd. But guess what, guys? We're going to my 300k accounts, right? Opening up a little long here with 2 contracts. We're going to my 300k accounts on Savius. I got a few of them. It's just 300 and some dollars out there. Pennies on the dollar, right? Look at that. Putting the break even there. Keep going to the upside, buddy. Keep going. Putting the break even right there. Keep going. And the target has been hit, guys. $3,000 profit. Celebration time. Beautiful. Thank you, guys. $3,000 profit right there. Boom. Celebration time. That was absolutely needed. Yesterday we had a loss on this account. So today it's different. Fireworks show. Time for Nasdaq to make that difference and start trading above the daily opening. 794. And take BTC also back to the daily opening, $108,000. So putting together about $2,300 from here wouldn't be bad. 2.3%. Let me go to the next. Little scalping, guys. Come on. Little scalping out here. and I'm out. 380 bucks. We're trading another 300k. $380. Got back in a little long here. Accepted a partial loss. It's not looking good. We're 388 down right now. We got rejected by the daily opening. Good day, everyone. Great to see you. Biggest discounts can be discovered with a coupon code Scramble. You can see the pricing on our page. Let's see how strong is that rejection on the daily opening here. At least for somewhere around 750s. If we can take this into 750s, I'm happy to be out there. And then we just might run to the upside, of course, which is something I believe for the rest of the day. If we got the strength from here, wow. Have to be out of this. Wow. Got that one, guys. We broke above the daily opening. Exactly. We broke above the daily opening. Let's see if we get some strength running higher. Nah. That quickly flushed away. That's pretty bad. It's slightly above 4 grand. That's gone. What a silly rejection out here. And of course a misjudgment on the risk management. Look at that. How we get punished by the daily opening. With a well-looking bouncing from the VWAP. Pretty much we're trading right now between these two levels, right? 200 EMA and the daily opening. We're just getting hit by that. And as I said, if we had that liquidity pre-opening, then look at it, what's happening right now. Quant Tower is lagging. Quant Tower is nicely lagging. Nah. Terribly dominated by the bears. This might just grab the low. This might just successfully go for the low out here on the 300k account. I got my stop loss set. But I'd like to achieve something else, right? Yeah. Goldie is in a, a really difficult level, guys. That's 2 points away from my... We're gonna get lucky if that one holds, guys. 2 points away from my stop loss. We're having the giveaway soon. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. I'm not going to DCA, but this could be an interesting situation for relonging it with a stop loss below, right? This candle relonging and stop loss below. You would be tight on the stop loss and a great ratio for the upside. What was there, guys? It got hit. It got hit, right? So 2 hitting the stop loss of the 300k, 1 making the profits. Tap on futures was all the 5 accounts pretty good. Savius, not as expected. I would have expected today a balanced positive day that did not came through. The daily opening clearly got us rejecting, and then the strength coming from is substantial, right? Look at the Russell's 2000s. Nvidia as well, trying to fight back at the daily opening. S&P is probably testing the lows here around 590s. Certainly not the best day. Certainly. The most important account for today was the 150k for the Savius, which was $2,000 away from the payout. Now it is 3,500. We still have $4,000 there in the account. How we got to the payout here, guys, and the Ticktick is something nice. This was our second cycle collecting 7 points. Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to join our Discord. We're going to have the giveaway starting soon. We're certainly a day of trading below the averages. Right. If we're watching the 15 minute, there you go. You not only have the daily opening there, but you have the 200 EMA on the 15 minute, which is also something that you've retested yesterday. And it punched you in the face. We got the same environment here. There's a nice zone actually here with a support. You also have the daily volume with average price right below this, setting on 660s. However, the question is quite interesting and remains active for October. Let me create a pool and see what we can do. So, I've asked you a question, guys, in the pool. Do we all-time high Nasdaq in October? Do we get there, guys? Look at a strong move we're having once again. Let me know, what do you think? Do we all-time high Nasdaq in October? Let me know, guys, what do you think about that one? There's 10 business days left. And the all-time high is 394, right? So 650 points from here, less than that, 625, something around that for the all-time high. 620s. We've been having a great time so far. After any session like that. So, I mean, as long as we're not dying below 24,200s, this one would be a problem. Flushing all the way into 23,000 for Nasdaq, it would certainly be a problem. And it would take us a couple of strong weeks to recover. That wouldn't look like a good last quarter of the year if we touch 23,000 from here. Right, so the next week is going to be very important. Probably the current United States presidential is gonna sleep on the decisions correlated with the tariff wars and might adjust things. We're also having in a couple of days let me share with you the FOMC meetings. The Fed Watch tool, guys. The Fed Watch tool. 12 days from now, we've already started to discuss. So 62% of you consider we're going all-time high again October. Yeah, we're already discussing 50 points, 50 basis points cuts. You know, it's just 1%, of course. It's not really going to happen from the way it looks like. But the 25 basis points is basically 99%, guys. And then for 10th of December, the discussion is 10% for 50 points, right? That's interesting. Very interesting. We'll see how that shapes out. We might have this one around 40, 45. 50 basis points by that. We're gonna clearly know what's gonna happen already by mid-November. Beautiful, guys. So let me know if you are ready. By the way, that's a good one, 3K today. Look at this price section. So, for all the prop firms and stuff, right? Ticktick Trader, tap on futures. Savius, utilize that coupon code SCRAMBLE for the highest discount. The links are in my Discord, the links on my YouTube. You can find all the place. Now, it's time for the wheel. Look at that. The wheel is having a new design. The wheel is having a new design. Do not guess. Do not write any numbers. Wait, wait, wait. So how do you participate could be one of your questions. How do you participate could be one of your questions. We're gonna wait. The first thing you gotta do, like the video, guys. For those of you that have country restrictions, this is a TTT prop firm. Ticktick Trader prop firm, which is having country restrictions for a lot of the members, right? So for those of you that you know you got these restrictions, do not join. 50K straight to funded plus. That's what we're sharing today. Only one giveaway. So the number one thing you gotta do is like the video, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. The next thing you gotta do is join our Discord, right? Join our Discord. The link is in the chat. We got you ready with that one. Wait. I'll tell you. What do you have to do and when? Only one guess per person. Keep that in mind. Do not guess multiple times. You're going to be banned. Do not guess for multiple accounts. You're going to be banned with that one too. And we're going to verify the winners, of course. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers and good luck, chat. Good luck for the best. Let's go. Keep pumping. Come on. Let's go. Keep pumping. Let's go. We got you. We got you right there. $50,000 for the Ticktick trader. That's it. Stop. No more. That's it. No more, guys. That's it. You gotta be quick. You had about 10-15 seconds for this one. You gotta be quick. If you guessed after, we're gonna shuffle this a few times. And now, spin the wheel. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Like the video, guys. Be subscribed. Join our Discord. Come on. Like the video for those of you that have joined late. What do we have here? We got that red number 5. Do we get there on that red number 5? Yes, we got there. That's exactly where we go, guys. That's going to be the number 5. I'll tell you, 100%, number 5. Congratulations for the winners. We got it. Number 5 for $50,000. Ticktick trader, straight to funded plus. Let's get to the duck race. Let's enjoy our times. Duck race, duck race. $41 winners. One of the most popular number. 41 winners out there. Hey. Beautiful. Hey. Shuffle. And one more time. And another one. We're good to go. Happy kits. Got you right there. You're actually amongst the first. We've got TTL, Tony. We've got Wafa. Who else? Mr. Don. Macro moves. Who's out here, guys? Come on. Quirix Capital, you're right there. 20 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up? Do you guys want to win? Tommy the Bull is there, but he's not actually a bull. It's a bear with that color, and it's sinking. We got we got the number 6 right there stepping up, and there we go. We got or how do we pronounce that? Yay! Hey. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, $50,000 Ticktick trader account. Great job. Congrats, buddy. Beautiful. Ron, we got you on the 3rd. Chappie on the Andreas. You're right there amongst the top. You shouldn't be upset, right? It's foodie so. Alright, guys, so couldn't finish the week. Mostly. I mean, I could have finished the week with a beautiful payout on the Savius, but we're thrown back with 2 days right now. Not a problem, of course. We're gonna fight back. The most important part is we're waiting for the Ticktick trader payout. We're waiting for live transitioning. I hope it's gonna happen, the whole thing, by the end of the next week, or by the last week of the month. However, I'll keep you updated. Meet you up on Monday. Looking forward to any chat, any discussion. Feel free to let us know on Discord. Have a lovely time there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. A lovely weekend out there, and keep in touch. The best discounts available, negotiated, top level. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Have a lovely time.